don't know how this can be worth that much money, honestly. It's kind of giving like Temu. The trousers, I'm gonna give them literally like a 0. It is so bad. Why, Kai? Why? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we are doing yet another Kai by Kylie Jenner kind of review. If you guys are new to my channel, I have literally reviewed every single drop that Kai has come out with. Some were good, some were bad, and honestly, I still don't really know how I feel about Kai as a brand. I do think that most things that are to do with the Kardashians are normally way overpriced just because of the brand name. But I have to say Kai and Skims do actually have a good sort of quality to them, so I feel like that does make the price worth it. That's if they can get the cut and the sizing right to begin with, because there has been a few drops from Kai where I was like, why, Kai? Why? Anyways, in today's video, we are going to be trying out the drop 007, which is called Poppin. In this drop, each piece is crafted from a lightweight, breathable poplin fabric with a touch of stretch. Ever since Kylie has been with Timothée Chalamet, is that how you say his name? I don't know if they're even still together, but she has been in her cottagecore era ever since. So honestly, with this drop, I wasn't really expecting anything different. I'm very happy though, because I actually really like some of the pieces in this drop. They're kind of ranging between like £48 as the cheapest, all the way up to like £110 for some of the dresses. A lot of the clothing is quite plain and simple, but I'm looking forwards to seeing something a bit different from Kai. So on my order, I spent £463. There was no shipping on top, so that was good. And for that money, I have my whole entire order, which is basically freaking flat packed. I don't know how this can be worth that much money, honestly. Okay, so first things first, let's start out with the baby blue outfit. Now, obviously with Kai, each piece you can get in all the colors available. So I think in this range, she has like 3 or 4 colors. I thought that this first co-ord would look really cute in the blue, so that's what I got it in. So first up, we have the bralette, which is called the Poplin bralette. This was £48. Let's take a look. That is quite a lot of money for a little crop top, especially when there's not much fabric to it. Okay, here it is. I mean, £48 for this. Honestly, it's kind of giving like Temu, which, I mean, that's not a diss, but I'm just saying this could have been made for much cheaper. I just don't really get it. Like, it's not amazing quality, I wouldn't say. The fabric is quite structured. It doesn't have, oh, it has a little bit of stretch. Okay, I'll give that to them. The straps are adjustable. And then of course the back, you tie it into like a bow yourself, which is gonna be very difficult, I can already tell. So yeah, that is the crop top. There's honestly not that much to it, but we'll see. Now, the skirt that I got with it is a very plain and simple skirt, actually. I really wanted like the poofy one that they had, but they were sold out in this color and in my size, so I ended up just getting the Poplin micro mini skirt. This color is called ice blue, by the way, and this was £54 for like literally just a plain old mini skirt. I mean, okay, this is it. Does this look like a £54 skirt to you? Because to me, I mean, it really doesn't. Oh my goodness. So the front of it is just plain and simple. There's no texture, but the back has like darting in the butt region to kind of, I guess, fill out the butt. I guess we'll see how this looks. I mean, this outfit was very expensive for what it is, so it better be good. All right, guys, so here is the very first outfit, and it doesn't actually look all that bad. That's until you realize that this skirt is actually just hovering. The way that it actually sits on my hips is all the way down here, and I'm sorry, but that is just way beyond low rise. It does not look good. You can see my underwear, and I mean, even if I tuck my underwear down, I just feel like it's way too low. It doesn't look good at all. Now, I got this in a size 8, and I'm normally a size 8 here in the UK, which honestly usually works fine for me. But I guess in America, a UK size 8 just isn't a size 8. Now, if I was to get this skirt to sit on my hips, which I still consider low rise, like that is still low rise, I would need it to be that much smaller, and I would probably have to get like an extra small, which is definitely not my size usually. So the sizing is a little bit out of whack, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna place this skirt how I think it should sit, but just know that there is so much excess fabric. As for the crop top, I do like the look of it. It's okay, but I don't really love these side bits of like fabric that's just sitting there. Normally this happens in tops where your bust isn't able to fill the top, but this top is my size, so that really shouldn't be happening. I feel like this little snaggly bit is definitely something they could have fixed in the design process. I'm a little bit beside myself that they didn't. So yeah, that is the outfit and all of the bad things about it. I mean, the good things is that I think it looks cute if it was to actually fit right. Also, this is one of these tops that it looks great on the website, but when you actually get it home and you try and tie it up yourself in the back, it literally looks horrendous. I mean, it just looks so crazy. It does not look good. So as it stands like this, I mean, I'm gonna have to give this like a 2 out of 10. It does have potential though, which is why I gave it a 2. If I was to tailor the skirt myself to make it sit on my actual hips, which I still consider to be quite low rise, and also if I got rid of these little bits, if it was like that, I probably would have given this outfit like a 6. All right, now moving on to the next outfit, we're now going to be trying out the dress. I feel like the dress is the most expensive item and it's also like the hero of this range. It is really, really pretty, but it was £115 for this dress. It's called the Poppin low back midi dress. I got mine in a size 6 because I really wanted it to be nice and tight around the waist. Although I'm a little bit scared that it's not going to fit me because this fabric, although it says it's got like a little bit of stretch, it really isn't a lot. Okay, so here it is. It's got very, very dainty straps to it, which I really like. So it's kind of got like a bust area right here, which doesn't have any padding or anything in it. It then comes down and out into kind of like an A-line sort of skirt. And then this is what it looks like on the back. It's kind of got like a lace-up sort of crisscross detail. I have to say the fabric is nice. It kind of feels like shirt kind of fabric, like school shirts or work shirts. It's definitely giving that cottagecore kind of vibe, that linen sort of look. So yeah, I mean, let's go try this on and see what it's like. All right, guys, so here is the dress and what it looks like on. Oh my gosh, I actually love this. The fit is everything. I really like the fact that you can tie it in yourself at the back and you can snatch it in as much as you like. It definitely creates that super hourglass kind of figure and I just love the way this looks on my body. The neckline is nice. I do wish it was slightly fuller because I do feel like it's kind of revealing, but I mean, it's a really, really nice dress. This is what it looks like from the front. I really like the length as well. Like, it's not too long. And then this is what it looks like from the back. Oh, I just love the movement on it. I feel like this dress alone is kind of redeeming this video right now. This dress is totally giving that whole like farm life, living by nature, living your cottagecore dreams. I can totally see myself wearing a dress like this to like a vineyard in the Italian countryside or something. This dress would also be amazing for like a bridal shower or something like that, like a hen party. It's definitely giving kind of bridal, obviously because of the color and the neckline. I'm genuinely obsessed with this dress. Do I think it's worth £115 though? Definitely not. But a girl can still like something even if it's expensive. So I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Okay, switching things up now. We're now going to be trying out a black little cord. So first up, we have the Poplin long zip shirt. This, you guys, I have seen Kylie wear in the past from like another brand years ago because I literally remember recreating an outfit that looked just like this. So she has clearly ripped yet another brand off with this design, like this like half zip up, half whatever. This shirt was £70, which again, is quite a lot. So let's see what the quality of this one is like. Ooh, okay. So yeah, it's made of the exact same fabric, which I don't know why, but I didn't really think about that. Normally when you see clothing in this style with like a zipper, it's normally made of like a ribbed kind of fabric or something. So it's basically got like a high neck sort of collar that zips down. I've never ever seen a shirt that has a zipper. Like that is definitely my first time. So the zipper, it works both ways. You can unzip it from the top, but you can also unzip it from the bottom to kind of have this like half open sort of effect, if that makes sense. I mean, this shirt is definitely very, very interesting. I just really hope it fits nice. It does have some like darting sort of thing in the back, which almost makes me think of like a blazer. And to go with the shirt, I also picked up one of the pairs of trousers from this collection. I didn't get the one that had like super cropped legs though, because I don't really like the look of like culottes. So I got the Poppin low-rise trousers. These were 88 pounds and these do go all the way down to the ground. I mean, if you guys know me, you'll already know that I don't really love low-rise stuff. Like, I just don't think it looks very flattering on me. But for you guys, I'm always willing to give these things a try. Never knock it until you try it. So these trousers, as you can see, are definitely going to be quite low-rise, judging by the crotch. They are made of the exact same sort of shirt fabric, and these are literally making me think of like school trousers. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely had a pair of school trousers just like this, made of the exact same fabric. This is bringing back memories. So they have pockets in the front. They don't have any pockets in the back, but they have like fake pockets. I do like the look of like the fake pockets in the back. I think it always looks quite flattering on the butt. I actually got these in a size 8 just to see what size 8 would feel like in this fabric, but I'm hoping it's not gonna be too like wide for me. 88 pounds for a black pair of trousers. I mean, that is a lot, but let's go try this outfit on together and see how it looks. All right, so again, this could have been something. It really could have been a cute outfit like this, but the trousers are sitting down here once again. I think this is actually worse than the skirt. Like, they are sitting at an all-time low. My hip bone is right here above the trousers. They literally feel like one wrong move and they are coming off, you guys. Because they're sitting so low, like, I get it. Maybe there's like ultra extreme low-rise trousers, whatever, but it doesn't explain this. I mean, look how long they are. I am literally treading on them when they sit naturally like this. So they definitely need to be sitting up higher, and maybe, just maybe, then they will actually fit right at the foot. You know what? For the purpose of this illustration, I'm just gonna tie up the excess fabric at the back so they actually sit up properly, so I can show you guys the shirt properly. So this is what it's looking like. The shirt is actually really, really cool. I like that you can obviously zip it down all the way like this and just have this, like, you know, a little bit risque, or you could have it all the way done up, which I don't know if I like that. I do really like how snatching the shirt is. It feels very, very nice around the hips. Like, it actually is very body adhering, even though it's made of literally like a shirt fabric. So yeah, the shirt is really, really cool. I'm happy with it, but the trousers, oh my gosh, these are just ridiculous. This is an issue I've been having a lot with previous Kylie's like drops. She's always making the trousers so long. I think moving forward, she definitely needs to like introduce a short range and a long range when it comes to trousers. So I think on the scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the shirt probably like an 8. It's a nice shirt, but still overpriced. And the trousers, I'm gonna give them literally like a 0 at this point. It is so bad. All right, and now the very last item we're gonna be trying out from this collection is this dress right here. This is called the Poppin seamed mini dress, and this one was 88 pounds. I again got this in a size 8 rather than the size 6, just to see how this would actually fit my body, judging by this like new fabric I've never tried before from Kai. Okay, so here is the dress. Again, I don't know about like the look of it. It just looks very cheap, I think. I feel like I've seen a dress like this at places like Temu and Shein and Primark 1,000 times, and they definitely were not 88 pounds, that's for sure. So the dress is basically like this. You kind of wrap this around like a halter neck and you can tie it into whatever you like. It's then very, very backless around the back. I do like the stitching on the front. Like, it has a little bit of texture to the front rather than just being plain and straight. I don't really know if I'm gonna get on with this one, but let's try it on and see how it fits. Okay, and here is the very last dress and what it looks like on. I mean, again, clearly it is a little bit too big for me, so I feel like it could have been a little bit more like straighter, a little bit more cinched in. It has like a lot of wrinkles on it because it's just not fitting me right, and I feel like that is making it look worse than it actually should have been. The cups and like everything about the neckline is fine. I tied it myself into a bow. It doesn't look too bad. I feel like this kind of dress, because you tie it into a bow at the back, it would just look much better if your hair was actually up. But yeah, it's not a bad dress. I just feel like I definitely got the wrong size. I probably should have sized down to size 6 or maybe even a size 4, who knows. I was kind of playing it safe with the sizing because I knew that this fabric wasn't too stretchy, so I just went for like my true size, and clearly it backfired. But yeah, I do think this dress again has potential. I'm a little bit gutted I'm not able to try it in my true size. This is what it looks like in the back. I do really like the cut and shape of it. It's definitely giving like retro vibes with the halter neck sort of style. It's giving Marilyn Monroe. So I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this probably like a 5. All right, guys, so those were all of the clothing pieces we're gonna be trying out from Kai's new range called Poppin. Let me know what you guys thought of this particular drop. Did you think it was worth the money this time or not? Also, let me know which one of the items was your favorite. I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed with this collection. I really was hoping for something amazing. The quality is kind of mediocre with this one. It's just very, very easy to replicate on a much like cheaper scale. As always, of course, I know I'm paying for the brand Kai, I'm paying for Kylie, but you know, it's just not really enough in this day and age. So yeah, I think my favorite item was probably like the first white dress. The second one wasn't too great. I also know that she is coming out with another swimwear collection, and I mean, judging by the last time, I don't really have high hopes, but I'm still gonna buy it and I'm still gonna test it out for you guys. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy, welcome to my channel. If you guys wanna stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.